Excel ATF technology from Repligen is the cornerstone of upstream intensification, enabling more biotherapeutic to be made faster.
And it does this by working hand in hand with the core bioreactor technology, such as the high-performing Biostat STR from Sartorius.
We knew intensification could be further improved by consolidating the Excel technology with the bioreactor. But to make that happen, we needed a forward-thinking partner.
When we aligned on the idea of integration, it immediately resonated. It perfectly meets our Sartorius mission statement to simplify progress. Everything from purchase to process development through daily operation.
After integration, the hardware setup doesn't look very different from a Biostat STR, but the underlying capabilities of the system have been completely transformed. Only the most essential components remain on the manufacturing floor: the Biostat STR and the Excel ATF device. That's all.
We also fully integrated the software. At startup, the familiar BioBrain platform will greet you, but just one click away is the control of the Excel ATF device. From one station, you now control all bioreactor and all intensification parameters. It's a seamless experience across two technology platforms.
This is true integration and an exceptional example of two technologies reaching a new level through partnership.
By bringing intensification right to the user's fingertips and simplifying scale-up.
Ultimately enabling more therapeutics to reach more patients faster.
Because that's what really matters.